I was compensated for this. This is the heavy-duty clothing rack. These are all of the pieces that it comes with, including instructions. I'm going to put it together and show you what it looks like. Here we are putting it together. It was easy to follow the simple instructions, and we are putting the wheels on and tightening those, and the wheels do have brakes on 2 of them, so you can continue to wheel it around or put the brakes on. And we're just tightening all of the screws that we are using, and we didn't need any extra tools to put this together, which is fantastic. And it has this cute basket, so you can put a lot of different items inside of there, and it has Velcro, so you can attach it to the bars, so it's going to stay in place on the clothing rack. And we're putting on the top bars. We are pointing them outward so that there is plenty of space between the clothes when they are hanging up. Then we're putting the metal bars to stabilize it, and then the metal on the bottom. This is great to keep in your laundry room. You can keep your laundry detergent in the nice basket here. You can put shoes, whatever you need to, on the very bottom, or if you have a smaller basket. And then if you have all your clothes just in a basket, then you can hang them up on the rods here, so it really helps to organize your items. As you can see, it moves easily across the floor here, but you can lock the wheels into place. So they have a little on off. So if you press that down, now it's locked into place and it won't move. So it has the nice wire shelving on the bottom here that just sit right on top. So that's super easy. It has the nice fabric, and this is pretty deep. You can fit a lot of items in here. And then it also has the extendable rods up here. So that's really nice. You can hang extra clothing items on here. And as you can see, I've hung some items on the rack, and I have some dresses on this side, and it is long enough or high enough for my long dresses. So that is super nice. This is a really heavy duty garment rack. This holds 625 pounds. And all of the rods up here are extendable on each side. So you can have those in or out, whichever way you prefer. And this just helps to really keep things organized. You can dry your clothes, or if you just have a lot of clothes, then you can just hang them here. And the rack is adjustable. So if you wanted it to be a little bit lower, then you could have the bars come down further and they just click right into place. And there is plenty of space between the clothes on each side. So I really like that. This is a really nice, durable rack. I hope this review helps.